Welcome to Clean Talk by FlexWash. In this session, my colleague and I will speak to you about parts washing. Many printers today, they clean their parts manually, or they might have a parts washer that needs replacement due to new legislation. But there are many different possibilities on the market. And Anders, how should I choose what equipment to invest in?
You can always do manual cleaning, but that is not the way that you should work if you want to earn money and if you want to save money. A lot of printers, they already have a cleaning system on the printing machine. So you might argue that I don't need it anyway. But we know from experience that the cleaning systems on the printing machine is not always doing the job 100% finished. And we know that if you're not doing a real cleaning all the way through, then seals will start to leak and you will have other problems on the printing machine and you will experience more downtime. So in fact, it costs money to clean parts, but it's a way of saving money in the long run.
So Anders, what are the different ways of cleaning?
You can do cleaning in 3 different ways. You can use the traditional solvent cleaning, where you put solvent in the cleaning machine and the solvent cleans the inks. It's a well-known technology. It has been around on the market for many years and it's proven. It requires a lot of investments for your washing room. But if you already have these installations, a distiller and an oxidizer and a nice big cleaning room, then cleaning with solvent is a good idea.
And what are the alternatives?
The first one that we could mention is the alkaline cleaning liquids. The advantage of this liquid is that it removes any ink that I know. It removes 2-component inks, it removes varnish, coating, glue, and it also removes water-based and solvent-based inks, which is becoming a big pain for printers around the world, where they start combining water-based and solvent-based. So alkaline is a good solution for that combination. We also have the possibility of putting in non-flammable liquids, and the printer can take the parts directly from the printing machine and put it into the part washer. In this case, we have these non-flammable liquids, and they work just as well as solvent. Sometimes it takes a little bit more time, but it's still efficient and it's environmental friendly. You have fewer demands for ventilation. It's not affecting your working environment. So there are a number of advantages for this non-solvent liquid.
So Anders, you mentioned that there are 3 different ways of cleaning, but how should I as a printer know which way to go?
Well, then I think it depends on what you want to do and how you want to achieve it. If you already have your ASICS room and your distiller and your RTO, then maybe ASICS is the best solution. But if you want to change your workflow and have the cleaning machine just next to the printing machine, then you should go for the alternative liquids or alternative possibilities like the Alka cleaner or the non-solvent cleaner. It's all depending on how you want to do it and what kind of ink systems you have and how you want to work with your cleaning.